Now say question number 7 from exercise 4.5. Simplify cos theta in matrix cos theta sin theta in first row minus sin theta cos theta in second row plus sin theta into in matrix first row sin theta minus cos theta in second row cos theta sin theta. So we have to simplify this. So write in solution. In solution we multiply by cos theta to each element of this first matrix. So we write here cos theta into cos theta as cos square theta, cos theta into sin theta. So write here cos theta into sin theta. Then here we multiply. So write here minus cos theta into sin theta. Then here cos theta into cos theta we get cos square theta. For second matrix we multiply here by sin theta. So sin theta into sin theta we get here sin square theta. Then sin theta into minus cos theta. So right here minus cos theta into sin theta. Then sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into sin theta as sin square theta. So we add these two matrices. So right here add the corresponding elements. So here first element is cos square theta, here first element is sin square theta. So write here cos square theta plus sin square theta as the first element. Then here we write cos theta into sin theta plus minus 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 cos theta into sin theta. Then for this third element minus cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta. So right here minus cos theta into sin theta. For our convenience we write sin theta into cos theta as cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta. So here we use the identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So write here 1. Here cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. So terms are same but with opposite sign. So its difference is 0. So write here 0. Here also we have minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta. So these two terms get cancelled. So write here their addition as 0. Cos square theta plus sin square theta which is identity. So we write here 1. That means after simplification we get identity matrix of order 2. Now see question number 8. If matrix A having element I 2i in first row minus 3 2 in second row and matrix B having element in first row 2i I in second row 2 minus 3 where I equals to square root of minus 1, find A plus B and A minus B. Show that A plus B is a singular, whether A minus B is a non-singular. Justify your answer. That means here we have to find A plus B and A minus B first. Then with the help of determinant we have to show A plus B is a singular and we have to check whether A minus B is singular or not. So first we find the A plus B here. So write in solution A plus B is equals to, substitute the value of matrix A as I 2i minus 3 2, then matrix B as 2i 2 minus 3. Now add these two. So we add the corresponding elements here directly. I plus 2i we get 3i, 2i plus I we get 3i. Then minus 3 plus 2 we get minus 1, 2 minus 3 we get minus 1. So here we find the determinant of matrix A plus B is equals to determinant of 3i minus 1 minus 1. Now if you observe the element of first column and second column are identical. So here these two columns are identical, that means corresponding elements are same. So the value of determinant is 0 by the property of determinant. So here matrix A plus B is singular, therefore A plus B is singular. Then next we find A minus B here. So substitute the value of matrix A and matrix B. So subtract element of matrix B from matrix A here. So write here I minus 2I, then 2I minus I, then minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus minus get plus, so 2 plus 3. We get here element in first row as I minus 2I, which is minus I, 2I minus I, which is plus I, then minus 3 minus 2, which we get minus 5, then 2 plus 3, we get here plus 5. So here we have to find the determinant of this matrix A minus B for its singularity. So we write here determinant of A minus B is equals to determinant of minus I minus 5. So here we take minus sign common from first column. So we write here minus in the determinant I plus 5 plus I plus 5, then I 5. If you observe, the elements of first column and second column are identical. So the determinant value is 0. So from this we say therefore A minus B is also singular. Now see question number 9. Find x and y if in first matrix elements are 2x plus y minus 1 1 3 4y 4, plus in second matrix elements are minus 1 6 4, in second row 3 0 3, in right hand side matrix elements are 3 5 5 6 18 7. We have to find the value of this variable x and y. So for that we add the left hand side matrix. So write in solution we add the corresponding element. So 2x plus y plus minus minus 1. So we write here 2x plus y minus 1. Then second element is minus 1 plus 6. So write here minus 1 plus 6. Then third element is 1 plus 4. So write here 1 plus 4. Then for second row we add 3 with 3. So write here 3 plus 3. Then 4y plus 0. 4y plus 0, then 4 plus 3 is equals to, write matrix in right hand side as it is, 3 5 5 6 18 7. Now add the elements here. So 2x plus y minus 1 as it is, minus 1 plus 6 which we get plus 5, 1 plus 4 which we get 5, 3 plus 3 we get 6, then 4y plus 0 we get 4y, 4 plus 3 we get 7 is equals to, keep right hand side matrix as it is, 3 5 5 6 18 7. Now here left hand side is a matrix, left hand side has a matrix of order 2 by 3, right hand side has a matrix of order 2 by 3. So by equality of matrix, so right here by equality of matrix we equate the corresponding element. So here first element is 2x plus y minus 1 is equals to, here first element is 3. So we equate this 2x plus y minus 1 with first element of right hand side. So we get 2x plus y minus 1 equals to 3. Then we equate this 4y with 18. So right here 4y is equals to 18. So from this we calculate the value of y, that is y is equals to 18 by 4, which we write 9 into 2, 2 into 2, that means we get y as 9 by 2 here. Now substitute value of y here. Before that we simplify this. So write 2x plus y after transferring this 3 to left hand side or transferring this minus 1 to right hand side, we get 3 plus 1 as 4. Now substitute y as 9 by 2. So right here, therefore put y is equals to 9 by 2. Therefore 2x plus y is equals to 4 gives. So 2x plus, substitute the value of y as 9 by 2 is equals to 4. Therefore multiply each term by 2. So we write here 4x plus 9 is equals to 8. Therefore 4x is equals to, we transfer this 9 to right hand side. So 8 minus 9, which is equals to minus 1. So we get x is equals to minus 1 by 4. So here we have y is equals to 9 by 2 and x is equals to minus 1 by 4. Now see next question, question number 10. If elements in left hand side matrix are 2a plus b, 3a minus b, c plus 2d, 2c minus d, and elements in right hand side matrix are 2, 3, 4 minus 1, find a, b, c, d. So here in solution, if you observe the matrix, here left hand side matrix is of order 2 by 2, right hand side matrix is of order 2 by 2. So by equality of matrix, we equate the corresponding elements. So right here in solution, by equality of matrix. So right here, first twice a plus b equals to 2 as equation number 1. Then 3a minus b is equals to 3 as equation number 2. We equate this 2a plus b with 2, 3a minus b with 3. Then this c plus 2d, with 4. So we denote this as equation number 3rd. Then 2c minus d is equals to minus 1. We denote this as equation number 4. So solving equation 1 and 2, we get value of a and b, and solving equation 3 and 4, we get value of c and d. So we first solve equation 1 and 2. If you observe, constant b, sign are opposite, so we add equation with 2. So right here equation 1 plus equation 2. Therefore 2a plus b is equals to 2. 3a minus b is equals to 3. After adding, this plus b minus b get cancelled. So 2a plus 3a, we get 5a. 5a equals to 2 plus 3, 5. That means a equals to 1. Now we substitute this a equals to 1 in equation number 1. So we write here, put a equals to 1 in equation 1. So here we get 2 into 1 plus b equals to 2. That means 2 plus b equals to 2. That means b equals to 0. Now we have to find value of c and d. So here in equation 3, coefficient of c is 1. Here in equation 4, coefficient of c is 2. Or you can multiply equation 4 by 2 and adding these 3 and 4. So right here, multiply equation 4 by 2. Therefore, we write here 3 plus 2 into equation number 4. So write equation 3 first here. C plus 2d is equals to 4. Then after multiplying equation 4, we get here 4c minus 2d is equals to minus 2. Add these 2, so plus 2d minus 2d get cancelled. Here we get c plus 4c, that is 5c is equals to 4 minus 2, which we get 2. So c is equals to 2 by 5. Now substitute this c equals to 2 by 5 in equation number 3rd. So put in equation 3. Equation 3 is c plus 2d is equals to 4. So substitute c as 2 by 5. So right here 2 by 5 plus 2d equals to 4. So 2d is equals to 4 minus 2 by 5. So after cross multiplying, here we get 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 2, that is 18 by 5. So after transferring this 2 to right hand side or simplifying this, we get 9 by 5 as the value of d. So right here d is equals to 9 by 5.